Welcome to your A2 Shadowing Practice, Episode 8. Train your pronunciation and speaking with me. Repeat after each sentence.
Free time and weekend. I wake up later on the weekend. I wake up later on the weekend. I enjoy a slow and quiet morning. I enjoy a slow and quiet morning. I make breakfast and drink hot tea. I make breakfast and drink hot tea. I sit by the window and relax. I sit by the window and relax. I read a book for 30 minutes. I read a book for 30 minutes. I listen to calm music at home. I listen to calm music at home. I clean my room and organize things. I clean my room and organize things. I wash my clothes and hang them up. I wash my clothes and hang them up. I call my friend and make plans. I call my friend and make plans. I go outside for a short walk. I go outside for a short walk. I visit a park near my house. I visit a park near my house. I take photos of trees and flowers. I take photos of trees and flowers. I sit on a bench and watch people. I sit on a bench and watch people. I enjoy fresh air and blue sky. I enjoy fresh air and blue sky. I buy coffee and sit in a cafe. I buy coffee and sit in a cafe. I think about my goals and plans. I think about my goals and plans. I write ideas in a small notebook. I write ideas in a small notebook. I practice English for 20 minutes. I practice English for 20 minutes. I repeat sentences slowly and clearly. I repeat sentences slowly and clearly. I feel relaxed and happy today. I feel relaxed and happy today. Shopping and city life. I go to the supermarket near home. I go to the supermarket near home. I take a basket and walk inside. I take a basket and walk inside. I look for fresh fruit and milk. I look for fresh fruit and milk. I read prices before buying food. I read prices before buying food. I choose vegetables for dinner. I choose vegetables for dinner. I stand in line and wait calmly. I stand in line and wait calmly. I pay for everything by card. I pay for everything by card. I put the food into my bag. I put the food into my bag. I leave the store and walk home. I leave the store and walk home. I stop at a small local bakery. I stop at a small local bakery. I buy fresh bread for my family. I buy fresh bread for my family. I meet a neighbor near my house. I meet a neighbor near my house. I smile and say hello politely. I smile and say hello politely. I ask about their weekend plans. I ask about their weekend plans. We talk for a few minutes outside. We talk for a few minutes outside. I enjoy living in this area. I enjoy living in this area. I like the small shops nearby. I like the small shops nearby. I feel safe walking in my city. I feel safe walking in my city. I return home before it gets dark. I return home before it gets dark. I put the food in the kitchen. I put the food in the kitchen. Communication and improvement.
I open my laptop and check emails. I open my laptop and check emails. I answer messages for my friends. I answer messages for my friends. I write short and clear replies. I write short and clear replies. I try to use new English words. I try to use new English words. I speak slowly and clearly aloud. I speak slowly and clearly aloud. I record my voice on my phone. I record my voice on my phone. I listen and check my pronunciation. I listen and check my pronunciation. I repeat difficult words again. I repeat difficult words again. I practice speaking every single day. I practice speaking every single day.
I learn new phrases from videos. I learn new phrases from videos. I watch and repeat each sentence. I watch and repeat each sentence. I try to copy the intonation. I try to copy the intonation. I focus on rhythm and stress. I focus on rhythm and stress. I do not worry about mistakes. I do not worry about mistakes. I stay calm and keep practicing. I stay calm and keep practicing. I see progress after some weeks. I see progress after some weeks. I feel more confident speaking. I feel more confident speaking. I understand more English now. I understand more English now. I enjoy this learning process. I enjoy this learning process. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Great work today! This was English shadowing practice for A2 learners. Remember, shadowing is about repetition. Practice again and speak with confidence. See you in the next shadowing session.